leaving the comedy show. I didn't want to record in there. I feel like it was a real intimate kind of scene. It was nice. There was a bunch of different people. Interesting. But I had a really good time, and I think they do it every Wednesday. So I would definitely come back and go to another show. Plus there's like a bunch of different restaurants and event spaces around here, which I think is really cool. So I'm gonna come back to this neighborhood. I like the vibe. I don't know, I have to look on the map to see like what it's called, but pretty good overall. Oh, yeah. Good morning, y'all. It's move-in day. I'm so excited. I'm getting some breakfast from this place that I saw on TikTok this morning called Gutbusters Breakfast. It looks amazing. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm about to get up in here. Whew, I'm so excited, and I'm excited to be moving into my new place. Have a nice day. Alright, food was good. I'd highly suggest coming to this place. They have a bunch of different locations around Atlanta. Definitely worth it. I got salmon cakes, scrambled eggs, beef sausage, cheese grits, which I've only gotten grits maybe 3 or 4 times, and this one was okay. What else did I get? A biscuit, and now I'm ready to go to the apartment and move in. Y'all, I'm so cute. Getting all my stuff and moving. Y'all, we made it to IKEA. I don't plan on picking up a bunch of stuff, just the necessities. I love IKEA. Probably gonna get a hot dog too. I need a pillow. I like this. I don't know if this is gonna work. How perfect is this pillowcase? It's so cute. Looks cozy. This chair is comfy. This would be nice for my balcony, but I don't know if this is an outside chair or not. IKEA just be selling anything. Why are they selling fried onions? Who's buying fried onions from IKEA? I love the wood options, but I always feel like I can never get them clean enough. Alright, I've never used a silicone lid before. They don't have the other ones for the glass, but they have this. So basically you put it on top, and then you're supposed to press down on it, I think. Hold on. And it sticks. and you can use it in the microwave, the oven, but then you like just tap the sides off. I don't know if it's worth getting. I was just gonna store the stuff in the fridge, but I would like that. This one is really nice. I like the texture and the pattern. 7x9. This one's huge. I am obsessed. I've always wanted one of these rugs. I think they're so gorgeous. And they also have some in black. This one's dope. What if I get one of these for the living room instead of a regular carpet? The challenge would be finding a pattern that I like, but I want to get some that has some white in it. Alright y'all, I got a basket full of stuff. I'm gonna go check the as-is section, and I just realized I left my wristlet in the car. Or at least I hope I didn't put it down in here, but because I have so many things in my hand, I don't think that I took it out the car. Let's see what they have in as-is. This is a nice outdoor chair, but I don't want a white one. Thankfully, I did find it in my car. So now I'm gonna go back. One of the items I ended up getting was from Display. This saucepan and comes with a lid. So the only thing is, how do I get back around? Going to Anthropologie to finally get my mug. I hope that they have the pattern that I'm looking for. The last time I was here, they only had one set. So let's see. Hi. When did Anthropologie start selling shoes? Oh, they got these bricks for $60. These are the plates that I want. And these 10 mugs. These ones are 14. This is too much. I want to get a Trader Joe's, but I also want to get the rotisserie chicken from Whole Foods. There's one nearby where I live, but I don't know if they have parking at this location because it's like in the middle of the city. So I'll see. Alright, here's the soup with the noodles. It's the spicy ramen from Trader Joe's. I got my cilantro, my green onions, some lime, and some bean sprouts. I love cilantro, but this is obviously a good amount of cilantro. The lime is necessary for the flavor. Some of the hoisin sauce. If you haven't tried this before, it's yummy. This is Issa Rae's brand. I got it from Target. And I got this beautiful glass from IKEA. Love it. Trying to get a good view of the moon. Y'all, I couldn't be more happy about this view. This is literally everything I wanted